Hey, hello friends. How are you doing? How are you? How you doing, friends? ¿Eh? ¿Cómo estáis? ¿Cómo estáis, amigos, amigas? ¿Eh? Bueno, I just received this package now. Okay. So, I want to see what is inside. So let's see what is inside, friends. Me acabo de llegar ese eso. Vamos a ver qué está dentro, ¿vale? What is inside now? It's done. Let's see. Let's see what is inside, okay, friends? ¿Qué está dentro? ¿Qué está dentro? ¿Qué está poquito, ¿Qué está dentro? Hay otro adentro, vamos a ver. Viene eso adentro también. Viene eso adentro también. Vamos a ver. ¿De qué se trata? Hello, friends. I just finished my first exam 2 days ago. First exam for my course. Marketing and publication and transportation. See my book for the exam. See this book. See this book. This book is ready for the exam. I have 7 of these to read. No, 8 of these to read. 8. So I just finished the exam 2 days ago. So waiting for results because my exams are in Spanish language. Okay, back to what I was doing. Mamá, ver, ¿qué está adentro? ¿Qué Suprisa está ahí? ¡Suprisa! A ver, vamos. La voy a cortar poco a poco, para que no sé si... Maybe what is inside is breakable, I don't know. So I'm going to cut it little by little. Little by little. Okay. Little by little. What is inside? What is inside? What is inside? Let's go. It has gone foul. This a little bit. Got it. A little bit. What is inside? ¿Qué está adentro? Poquito. Aquí. What is inside? ¿Qué está adentro? ¡Qué nervio! ¡Qué nervio! ¡Ole! Vamos a ver. Let's take it from here. Maybe it's something breakable, so I don't want to rush it, okay? Quitamos aquí. Mi regalo. Quitamos aquí. Aquí. Ahora vamos. Estamos llegando, ¿eh? Falta poco. Vamos a ver. Quitamos todo eso. Quitamos eso. ¡Qué curiosidad! I'm so nervous to see my gift. What is inside? What is inside? Let go. Let go. Are you curious to see my gift? ¿Quieres ver mi regalo? ¿Qué está adentro? Vamos. ¿Qué está adentro? Vale, quitamos aquí. Ay, es algo muy precioso. Hay que quitarlo poco a poco, ¿eh? Sin prisa. Precious gift. So you don't rush, ¿eh? Little by little. Okay. Did you see it? Did you see something? Wait. Don't see it yet. Wait. Did you see it? Did you see something? Okay. Just okay from here. Kita maki. Otro capa. Did you see it? A ver, quitamos aquí. Mi regalo. ¡Qué precioso mi regalo! Mira mi regalo. Bueno, regalo no, pero que la he comprado. La he comprado online. Pero tengo que ver qué estás adentro. Si es a la que estoy esperando. ¿Ok? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You want to see it? Unbelievable. This is called a bomba. Una bomba de regalo. A ver. ¿Quieres ver mi regalo? ¿Quieres verlo? Vale, vamos. Let's go. You want to see it? Do you want to see my gift? Though I bought it. Let's go. I'm going to show you. We're going. Estamos llegando, ¿vale? ¿Quieres verlo? Estamos llegando. We are going there. My precious, beautiful, beautiful A. Okay. Do you know what it is? No. Do you want to really see what is here? Hmm. Hmm. This is, let's remove this obstacle from here. Hmm. I'm going to show you now. This one, yeah. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? ¿Está preparado para verlo? One, two, dos. Vamos, quero verlo. Quero verlo. Quero verlo. 3, 4, 4. Cuando llegamos a 10, voy a ponerlo. When I count 10, I'm going to put it, okay? 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, and 10. Vamos a ver, regalo. Vamos a ver. ¡Tarán! Do you know what it is? You know what it is? Look at it very well. What is this? What is this? You see it? You see it? They comes in the packets, 2 packets. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what it is. And what color is this? It's called coconut dyed shampoo. It means it is shampoo and it's reading powerful and long-lasting permanent hair color. Woo! Revolution in hair color, and it's made of coconut products, coconut oil. Okay, es un tipo de colorante de pelo, pero como shampoo, ¿vale? Y es de aceite de coco. ¿Ves? Can you see the coconuts? Aceite de coco. Entonces es muy bueno para tintar. Es un shampoo tinta de pelo, es un shampoo para tintar el pelo. Pero esta vez es un shampoo. Es como tu shampoo normal para lavar tu pelo. Pero mientras lavas el pelo, eso te está cambiando el color de pelo. Pero es un shampoo. Un shampoo colorante de pelo, pero es un shampoo normal. Es de aceite de coco, así que es muy rico. Okay? So it's coconut, made of coconut cream, la crema de coco, coconut cream. So it's normal shampoo. So you just put it, it's like when you're taking your bath in the bathroom. So you take this shampoo, put it on your hair, rub it. Normal, normal, okay? Rub it on your hair, then comb your hair. That is how you got the desired color of your hair. Ok, shampoo. El aceite de coco es para colorear el pelo, normal. Esta vez es un shampoo, es como igual que tu shampoo de ducha. Tu shampoo, cuando tú estás duchando, y tú coges un shampoo para lavar tu pelo, ¿no? Es igual. Eso es shampoo. Pero esta vez es un shampoo de color. Entonces, pones eso en tu brazo, en tu mano, ¿vale? Luego ponelo como tu shampoo normal en tu pelo. Luego peinalo así. Ya te va a cambiar el color de pelo al color que quieres. Okay? So dear friends, it's normal shampoo. Look at it. So it's just arrived now. So let's look at the effect of it. Let's look at the uses of it. It says, is it in English? Oh, okay. It comes in English. English and is it French or Spanish? And let's read. Use on dry hair. Wet your hair and towel off any excess water. Wear plastic glove. That's how to use it. So step 1 to use this is wet your hair, then towel. You wet the hair first. After you wet the hair, you then towel the hair before you apply. 2. Wear plastic gloves. Before opening the magic hair color shampoo container, take out desired quantity of magic hair color shampoo in your pen. And then mix well, mezcla bien, and aplicar into your hair and to pelo. Massage hair well for 10 minutes until the shampoo is spread evenly across your scalp and hair. Wait for more 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse well with water. ¿Cómo se utilizarlo? Dice que primero tienen que mojar el pelo con agua. Después de mojar el pelo, coge una toalla, seca el pelo poquito. Luego, ponte guantes. Y luego, coge una cantidad de ese producto en tu mano. Normal, como tu shampoo de ducha para lavar tu pelo. Así. Lávalo. Normal. Y luego, dice que masaje, así. ¿Vale? Así. Massage it, okay? While you have the shampoo on your hair, like this, then you leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Técalo luego en 15 a 20 minutos. Después, con agua, lávalo bien, rinse it, ¿ok? Ahí va a salir tu color de pelo. Bueno, la voy a probar por ahora, no luego. ¿Vale? When I'm going to try it, I'm going to show you. Okay? So, this is what I just arrived now. And I ordered 2 of these. So, I ordered the color black, dark color, and brown color. So it's like I'm seeing the same color. I don't know which one is the brown and dark here now. Don't know. I hope they did not send me the same thing. Okay, friends. So it's very nice based on what I saw online when I ordered it, and all the other clients who bought it online. I watched their comments, and they are so satisfied with it. Their hair looks beautiful. Okay. So todo lo la he comprado online actualmente, y toda la gente que la ha comprado online estaba leyendo los comentarios y todos están muy contentos atentos con la calidad de ese shampoo, ¿vale? Así que bueno, gracias por viendo. Thanks for watching. And please follow, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and click the bell like button, and leave your comments, okay, if you like this video. Thanks for watching. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you for following me. Muchas gracias por viendo, mis queridos amigos, amigas. Gracias, ¿vale? Por viendo. Y por favor, si te gusta el video, deja tus comentarios, suscribir, compartir y like, y toca el botón de click. ¿Vale? Bueno, nos vemos en el próximo video. So, okay guys, see you in my next video, brief one. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Please follow, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.